Okay, so here we have this amazing top floor, one bedroom apartment. It's in a condominium with 3 buildings, 3 entrances, all 24-hour security. You don't have to touch the door, it just opens as you come in. Oh, you'd have to open your own door. Elevators, laundry, and beautiful big garden. You can see lots of light coming in here, and views all the way downtown to the World Trade Center, Empire State Building, all that fun stuff. So a very convenient. We've got a supermarket in the building, subway underneath, B and C, and it's a condominium, so it's a very good deal for a rental. Very bright and sunny day here. Let's see what we see out at the window. It's all bright. Maybe I can figure out some of the settings and give you a better idea of all of downtown. Beautiful lights at night. So very bright. Now, of course, I have to turn the settings back for this interior shot. As you can see, it's a good large living dining. Most people put a dining area somewhere near the kitchen there. A little piece of furniture that was left by one of the tenants, but it's been cleaned up very nicely. You've got an overhead light in the kitchen. Beautiful stainless steel cooking range. And a dishwasher, microwave, refrigerator. So just a nice little kitchen right off your living room. Also, this is the entryway with a lot of closets. I guess there's a linen closet, a full closet here for hanging coats, clothing, shelves, and a beautiful bedroom. Again, bedroom's very large. Easily put in a king-size bed and plenty of furniture. These interesting little enclosures you see are for the air conditioners. So if you open those doors, you see an air conditioner, and I guess it can come through that grill work. And you also have the same views out the bedroom window. Overlooks the garden, but from the 20th floor, you really have to look down. Large closet here as well. So 3 closets, full kitchen, living, dining, king-size bedroom. Nicely outfitted bathroom. We've got 2 vanities right here. Tub, sink. Pretty decent for, I believe it's $2,800 right now. If you'd like this, or I have a 2-bedroom as well, anything in the building or anything in Manhattan, I'm happy to help you. Christopher Butt with Corcoran, 917-721-0202, or just look me up on Corcoran or Street Easy. Christopher Butt, 917-721-0202.